Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. These are the supplies I'm going to use today to do another fun fall wreath. I always start with pipe cleaners on the frame first, and I do wrap them around 2 bars so that they will not slide or move. Next, I'm cutting 12-inch strips from my 5.5-inch burlap. I had orange and a natural color. So what I do is I just kind of go down the middle. I walk my fingers down the middle of the burlap to apply it to the wreath using the pipe cleaners. I started layering in the natural colored burlap first, and then I went over top with the orange burlap. Next, I'm going to cut my ribbon tails. I did a combination of orange and this sunflower print ribbon that I had, and these are both wired ribbons, and I'm going to place them on the outside ring of the wreath. Next, I want to prep my sign. So the top part did have 2 pre-drilled holes, and I just took the twine out of there, put my pipe cleaners through. But these signs are very thin, so before I applied my staple on the bottom half, I did add some cardboard because I didn't want it to go through the sign. Now I'm trimming any excess pipe cleaners from the middle of the frame of the wreath. Here I'm adding the sign, and I just make my way to the bottom, and I try to find the base of the wreath and just twist tie it on. Next, I wanted to make a bow, and I didn't have enough to do loops of the green, so I just used that for tails, and I did 2 loops of the orange, 2 loops of the sunflower, and a few loops of the yellow to incorporate that in the bow. Decided to put it at the bottom of the wreath because I didn't want to hide the sign. Next, I had some sunflowers that I wanted to add because it matched the ribbon so well. And I had some of these orangish, reddish mums that I wanted to add too. So what I did was I took some pumpkin picks that I had and broke everything apart, layered it up, taped it off, and I'm going to add those to the wreath as well. Once these are added to the wreath, I do twist them on with a pipe cleaner, but I also go back through with my glue gun. I decided here it needed a little bit more yellow, so the little bit of ribbon that I had left over from the bow, I went ahead and placed that randomly around the wreath. I really hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.